Let me show you how to create these elastic bands around the object in Blender. Press Shift-A, go to Mesh, and add a circle. Randomly duplicate Shift-D the circles and position them around the object. Select all circles, right-click, and choose Convert to Curve. Increase the extrude value in the geometry settings to give them thickness. Select all curves, then select the extruded curve last. Press Ctrl-L and choose Link Object Data to match their settings. Select all curves, right-click, and choose Convert to Mesh. Select one mesh and apply these modifiers in order. Shrink Wrap modifier to wrap it around the object. Solidify modifier to add thickness. Subdivision surface modifier for smooth edges. Select all other meshes, then select the modified mesh last. Press Ctrl-L and choose Copy modifiers to apply the same effect to all bands. Now your elastic bands are perfectly wrapped around the object. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for quick Blender tips. Thanks for watching.